Okay guys, we are almost there. I promise this is the last one, but the most important one and the most craziest of them all. Listen guys, me and my partner Dan are the ones that is known for over-deliver, and I'm gonna certainly over-deliver for you right now. Because guys, what would you say to get not only 100% on one of the products, but of 6 of our products we have created in the past? We have personally spent around $4,000 to create, host, VAs, customer service, and all of that, and just give it to you for a fraction of the price. And here's the kicker, because you are gonna use the undying traffic method to fuel to all of these 6 products. Instead of you making 50%, you keep 100% from all of these products to you, pure profit. So listen guys, one of these products, it's gonna spit out $686 per buyer. The next one is gonna spit out 557. Sorry, I'm stumbling guys. Again, I'm from Denmark and I can make this work, so can you. There is no excuses for you here. And then we have another one. It spits out $486, I believe. Then we have another one that spits out 38, I believe, per buyer. And then we have another one that spits out $287, around that, per buyer. You're gonna get all of these, and instead of 50%, you keep 100% again, without creating anything, without hosting it, without dealing with customers or refunds. Just enjoy the pure profit that comes with it. So listen guys, what do you think all of this is worth? Do you think it's easily worth $2,000? Yeah, it probably is, since we paid $4,000 per funnel. But we are not gonna charge you that, of course. We are not even gonna charge you $1,000. Even while it was way more worth than that. Don't you agree? Exactly guys, we're not even gonna charge you $497 for it. Even while it is worth way more than that. I need a new pen, because let's take a red one. Let's take a red one, because I want to stress this out importantly. You know guys, if you get 6 of these products that is each worth $4,000, okay? We're gonna give you for a fraction of that, and you're gonna use the undying traffic method to fuel the free traffic directly from Google to these products. So we're gonna give you this for a one-time offer only. We're gonna give it to you for $197, and 6 of our 100% proven products are all yours, without the headache, without customer support, without nothing, just the pure profit. This is over-deliver as its finest, but it is only available for you on this page only guys. So if you want 6 of our products, instead of 50%, you make 100% pure profit. Click the button below right now and enjoy the laziest way to make a lot of money online for only $197 one-time fee. Click the button below right now and pick it up. Let's get it.